Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have. So the question is partially new to Google Ads, but wanting to really get into using it as most of my clients comes via Google. So that's good. So you're going to use Google Ads. We provide wedding and lifestyle photography services, seeking advice and tips on making sure I am set up correctly. Currently running with a daily budget of $10. Over the past 7 days, results have looked like this. Okay, so these are your results. You got 35 clicks at $99. And CTR is 9.16. And conversions are 48 conversions so far. It looks very good. 35 clicks and 48 conversions. So it means that you're getting more conversions than your clicks. Okay, your cost per conversion is 2.04 and you're getting 139 conversion rate. Okay, so if you're getting more than 100 conversion rate, it most likely means that you have not placed your conversion tracker code correctly or something is wrong. Okay, because showing more conversions than what people are coming from Google simply sounds suspicious. So in my opinion, I may need to double check uh, what is your goal and how do you count, what do you count as a conversion. So what do you count as a conversion? This also needs to be changed on the goal tab. But there are suggestions which I can give you to improve your sales for your Google Ads for wedding and lifestyle photography services. First of all, this landing page ad seems to be, although it is getting a very good CTR, 9.16% CTR is very good, but there are few suggestions which I can give out. First of all, there is a tool which you can use that is named the Karoya. What I can tell you, it can tell you the importance of whatever you are gonna add, it's gonna show over here as well. So you can see the importance of ads with extensions. Like if I add hiding extension, it will show over here. So I suggest you to add location extension with your photography businesses so people can have a trust on it. People can call you with the call extension being added, so people can actually call you, and if possible show advertiser rating, and this also increases the trust. Plus, in case if you add price extension to show you how much you charge for different wedding photography services or your packages or plans, this can, there is also promo or deals extension you can also add, like in case if you buy right now, purchase now, you're going to get a 10% discount, something like that. So these are few of the things which I suggest you to add on and can help you with your sales increases. But there are several other suggestions as well which I can suggest you apart from this. First of all is narrow down your targeting area. I think that you have to narrow down to the targeted area from where you get to your most customers, and then create a strategy according to that. Also work on when do you get, on which timings do you get most conversions. Okay, it happens that in my opinion, weekends is gonna be a good Saturday, Sundays. We are gonna spend most budget, so we need to have to look around on what timing, what days we are getting most conversions and sales, and then we can optimize our strategy based on that. So my recommendation is to observe that data, which locations, which timing, which days are converting well for you, and then we can work around. Also optimize your keywords. Okay, my suggestions: look around with phrase match or exact match. Don't go with broad match. Okay, because you are going to get irrelevant traffic with broad match. So my recommendation is to add the phrase or exact match. Also keep an eye on your search terms and keep on adding negative keywords whenever you wanna want. You can add negative keywords, and that can, be a very good way through which you can simplify and optimize your audit. Also, ad groups can be optimized with 3 to 5 keywords plus 2 ads for each ad group, and see how does those ads perform, how does those keywords perform. I also recommend you to have a retargeting or a remarketing campaign for your wedding and photography business, because that mostly involves around people may need to look several times before buying it out. So my recommendation is to do retargeting or remarketing as well to those people who already know about your brand and service, and that can also increase your conversion rate. Also connect your website with Facebook and Instagram. Okay, even for retargeting, I'm gonna recommend you to go with the Facebook or Instagram. Do a cross-channel retargeting, and when you connect with your Facebook, Instagram pages, what happens is in the wedding and lifestyle industry, I believe that people watch more pictures and event pictures. How do you perform? So you can show them on your Facebook, Instagram, and your even YouTube channel as well. So I also suggest running YouTube ads. Okay, but your budget is low, your $10 is a very low budget, I can understand, because this is what your business allows you. But in case if you ever plan to increase your budget, you can also look around for retargeting, remarketing, and running YouTube ads. These could be a possible suggestions for your business. So I hope this answers your question over here, and I discussed, I think, most of your concerns over here. So yeah, but still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer. And if you're looking for a professional help with the Google Ads audit, setup, and management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through one of the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to help you get an awesome Google Ads campaign for you, or we can even audit your existing campaign. So once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.